Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So as the year is ending, guys, can you believe that we have over a month till 2019? Guys, I cannot believe that this year is almost ending. 2018, guys, is almost over. I mean, just by even thinking of what has gone on in 2018, I am so ready for the new year. I am ready to experience the new things that will happen to me. I'm ready to just go into the new year with happiness. And because of that, there are some things that we need to kind of get rid of. We need to get rid of all that baggage, all that clutter that no longer needs to be in our lives anymore. It's time for a change, which is why in this video, I'm going to tell you what things you need to get rid of now. You need to toss out today so you can discover a new you, so you can remove yourself of that just oldness, that life that you no longer need, and get you ready for the upcoming year. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, guys, this is an action video. So please, guys, make sure as I am telling you what to get rid of, you get up and get rid of it. We are getting rid of things together. Please, guys, this is not a video that I want you to watch and just watch me get rid of stuff. No, I need you to get up and I need you to get rid of that stuff so you can be in clarity for the new year. So come on, guys, get up and let's go. I'm back. I'm back in my chair because this is a sit down video. You're going to see some clips of me throwing things away, but this is a sit down video. It was just, I wanted to give you guys some energy so you can get up and throw these things away. But yes, in reality, this is not like a live video. So this was recorded. This was pre-recorded. So please understand that, guys. First things first, the first thing you need to get rid of right now, right at this very moment, guys. Right now, you are walking to that drawer that holds these possessions, and those are cables, guys. Those extra cables, that weird extra power cord that you have for whatever reason, that USB cord you no longer need because you don't have that phone anymore. Guys, today we're gonna get rid of those. Throw them away. Put them in a bag. Take them to facilities that will accept them, but throw them away, guys. Get rid of them. You no longer need them. They don't belong to anything. You're never going to use it. They've been there for so long. You don't even know it's there. Even though you see it, you're like, oh, it's become part of you, which doesn't need to happen, guys. It doesn't need to be part of you. So guys, go in your drawer, put that in a bag and get rid of them. So number 2 is to toss out those manuals, guys. Get rid of the dryer manual, the microwave manual, the refrigerator manual, the vacuum cleaner manual, that desk you just put in your home, that bookcase you just put together. Guys, it's time to get rid of those manuals because guess what? All of our manuals are online now. There is no reason why you should have a physical copy of any manual you have, unless there's some type of rebate on it. And even if there is a rebate, you should be handling that now. You should be signing up or registering for that rebate now and not later so you can get rid of that paper. So guys, go into your manual file, your manual drawer, even if you put your manual under your couch, go get them and get rid of them. Put them in your recycle bin and walk away because you no longer need them because they are online. So guys, on to number 3. This may be a little weird to you, but it's something that's in my home right now. And those are worn underwear. Guys, my significant other, for whatever reason, feels the need to hold on to his worn underwear. And I'm always telling him, babe, go throw away those underwear because there's holes in them and they show a bit too much of your area. And for whatever reason, he thinks it's fine. His thing is no one sees them, but guess who sees it? I do. So guys, go into your drawer, go through your undergarments and get rid of those not so pretty ones, the ones that are torn, stretched out, discolored. Go through your underwear drawer, your undergarment drawer, and get rid of all your worn and torn underwear. They just don't belong in your space, guys, because they have lived their life. So guys, go into that drawer and get rid of them. So the next thing to get rid of is your homeware, especially the homeware that you no longer use. So I recently just did I didn't renovate, but I switched out all of our old decor to new decor. And we have these sets of decor that we don't even want. I no longer want in the home. And this is something that he had when he was a bachelor. So it's time to get rid of those things. Get rid of all the homeware you don't use. It doesn't have a place in your space. And I say that because it's probably been sitting around for a while now, for months, even years now, and you know for sure that you will no longer need it. So guys, try giving it to someone else who may use it. If not, go donate it to a local charity. If it's broken, if you haven't fixed it yet, then you probably should throw it away. So guys, go through your homeware, all the ones you no longer use, you no longer need, get rid of them. So the fifth thing you should toss out of your home right now are those old razors. Guys, I am someone who, I don't like to admit, but sometimes I like to hold on to my old razors because you never know when you're going to run out of new razors. So sometimes having those old razors as a backup is just good, It's not, guys, it's nasty. I mean, to be honest, once you use a razor maybe about 3 times, that may even be too much. It's time to get rid of it because they ultimately will dull out, and you don't want to shave your legs with a dull razor because that's how you can create razor bumps. So guys, get rid of your old razors. Just make sure you stock up on your new ones. So if you notice that your supply is low, put a reminder in your phone to go buy some new ones and go buy it, guys. You know what? The easiest way to buy them, guys, is on Amazon. Go on Amazon right now. Go sit at your computer because this is what I need to do right now. Go sit at your computer and go buy you some darn razors. As you see in the clip, I have just ordered me a lot of razors, guys. This is something that I've been needing to do for a while now, and now I can finally do it. So guys, the sixth item you need to toss out of your home right now are those darn mismatched socks. Guys, go into your drawer and grab those mismatched socks and go throw them away, guys. Their pair is never coming back. It is gone. It has left the world, the universe, and it is no longer coming back. Accept it and just get rid of it. Of course, you can use that sock for something else. They are great for dusting. They are great for cleaning. So if you want to reuse the sock for something else, then do that. But if not, if it's just sitting in your drawer doing nothing, guys, get rid of them. So the 7th item you can get rid of now is something that lives in your pantry. And those are those unused, expired canned foods. For example, I have these canned artichokes that it's been about 6 months and I still have not used this. There was a time that I made a dip or something and I just bought extra, but I never use it and I don't want to make that dip again. So I just have this canned artichoke in my pantry sitting there looking pretty as if one day I'm going to reach in there and get it. Guys, it was like $1.50. So if I do end up making a dish that requires artichoke, I can always go to the store and buy it for $1.50, even $2. Like, it's not that big of a deal. So guys, go through your pantry, look for all those canned goods that you're not going to use, or for those expired canned goods and throw those away. But for the canned goods that are not expired, but you know for sure you're not going to use, you can donate them. You're going to notice how clutter-free and how nice your pantry looks after you get rid of them. Like I said before, the reason why I wanted to do this video was just so that we can start getting rid of things now as the new year is coming. I don't really believe in New Year's resolutions because there's so many of us who create our New Year's resolution lists and we just never accomplish it. So rather than starting your New Year's resolutions, if you are someone who needs to start, who likes to have resolutions, rather than starting them on January 1st, you can start it right now. So that's the goal right now. Right now, we are starting our New Year's resolution list. And on that list are these 7 items that you're going to toss out of your home right now, or your business or your office, wherever these items are. You're going to toss them out right now so you can start living a more clutter-free life. So let me ask you guys a question. Which of these items that I mentioned did you actually get up and throw away? Let me know in the comment section below. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.